I'm Ruth Paradise. I'm Principal Child Psychologist at Cardiff and Vale LHB. I work at St David's Hospital at the Children's Centre there, primarily with the under fives.
Hello, I'm Alison Tinkler, Educational Psychologist, working in Cardiff, mainly with the early years children.
And together we developed this Better Than a Booklet programme and facilitated the groups. Better Than a Booklet is now a 10-week programme for parents who have a child with a disability. The idea behind it is that there's a lot of information that people who've got a child with a disability need to gain, and that we could have done that in terms of a booklet, but in actual fact we felt it was better to offer face-to-face sessions in which people could feel nurtured, could meet professionals, could meet other parents and have a place where they could leave their children for an hour or so.
So we have developed a handbook which will be available later on, so other professionals could use that if they wished to run similar groups in their local area.
The project was multi-agency. It involved health, education and the voluntary sector. Everybody worked very closely together to achieve that, and it also involved the parents because we ran the course 3 times and we were very anxious that each time the parents gave us their opinions about what worked and what didn't work. So each time we had that feedback from them, we modified the course accordingly. And so we hope now what we've come up with that's in the booklet will actually be the thing that works best for parents, that they will enjoy.
The course also gave us a chance to introduce parents to the early support materials, as well as providing them with the practical information about what could assist in many cases.
So we really felt it was important that everybody would have access to these 10-week sessions, and so in order to do that, because we had funding from early support, we were able to supply a creche, to provide taxis for people who might have transport problems to bring them to the sessions, and also to provide interpreters for those people who needed it. So we had all that sort of additional support, and we also felt it was important to supply lots of tea and cakes as well, so people felt welcomed. We've got to develop the project booklet, which will, as Alison has already mentioned, enable other people to run similar courses in other parts of Wales if they want to do that. And although that's written in draft, we need to do a bit more work on that, so that's yet to come.